To review one of the advanced features of the AP Essentials to Business Central Enhanced Connector, three-way matching. If I open up the OCR service setup screen, you can see that under the second tier of licensed features, we have this three-way matching toggle. That's turned on for now. In a previous video, we showed how archiving POs, PO syncing, and two-way matching work, and it is very similar for three-way matching. So if I pull up a purchase order, one that has already been released, the base data, the quantities, prices, the descriptions of the line items have already been synced over. And if you have the three-way matching feature turned on, when you update the quantities received and the quantities invoiced, like I've done on this one, that data will automatically sync over and update your purchase order data within AP Essentials. So this is order 106017. If I open up AP Essentials, we'll be able to check out the purchase order information here. And we can see that the delivered and invoiced quantities have updated to match the Business Central data. Now, since we have a validation rule that is used for three-way matching turned on within the AP Essentials tenant, I can open up a document that's in the pending manual verification step. And once that opens, I will make sure that it matches to order 106017. And I'll do a little manual line matching to make sure that the appropriate PO data has been brought over. So I can click on the magnifying glass here and select the relevant purchase order lines. And as I do so, you'll be able to see that data from the purchase order information is being copied over, and certain boxes are being highlighted because the three-way validation rule has been broken. If I click into those boxes, you'll see the message saying the invoice quantity is greater than the remaining quantity, including the 1% tolerance on the purchase order. Going back to my purchase order data, we'll see that for this purchase order, the total quantity minus the delivered quantity is 100, and we have a 1% tolerance here. So on the original order, that was 7.5. And this quantity that is trying to be invoiced is much greater than the allowed remaining quantity. And this concludes the three-way matching feature.